In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Capcut to edit short form videos to get millions of views. Here's my channel where I post these. You can see that I've gotten 265 million views this year. So let's get right into this. We're just going to create a project. I'm using Capcut on iMac, but you can do all the same stuff on your phone as well. It's just not as easy. So the first thing you want to do is you can click import, and that's going to allow you to pick the videos that you want. If not, you can just drag your videos here into the timeline. So now we have the preview of our video up here. And what you want to do is go to ratio and make sure you're on 9:16. That's kind of like the mobile phone format. And then this is gonna show like our entire video timeline here. You can see it's kind of small, so we want to click this plus sign over here on the right. That's gonna make this easier to cut. This will also show the volume here. That's what these little lines are along the bottom. I like to pump mine up, usually above 10. You just want to make sure some orange is showing there on top. And then you can just start cutting this where you see like the volume pick up.
What's the difference between?
So you can see right here I'm asking a question. This is the main intro to the video. You can also like click around, or you can drag this and you can do Command B, and that's just gonna split these. And then you can click on the ones you don't want and delete them. Or you can just take a clip and drag it sideways like that. You can press space bar to play and pause.
Between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case. It's the same exact thing. It's a case and a sealed distributor case.
So there's the question. I do want to take this part of the video. I'm gonna clip this and move this here. You can also extract audio if you want to move audio from one spot to another. This is kind of an advanced thing that I'm showing right now, but I'm just gonna delete this audio. And now, when I'm asking the question, it has more of a reference here, like people can see this better. And I'll even zoom in more.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a...
And you can see, you know, that's better than this where you can't see what I'm asking about and he's messing around with his mic. So I'm basically just putting this video on top. So this is what it's showing. And you can add layers however you want.
Case. It's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing. It's just how you word it.
So there's his response. Here's my next
So
question.
you just added a word. I just added a word.
You just want to go in and cut out every part that isn't important or isn't making the storyline good. I think that's pretty much it.
Right here.
I'll probably just end it right there. But I'm gonna go through these clips, see if there's anything else. So there's some good content in here, but I'm gonna use this on a separate video, just split it into a future video. And then this is good as is. I'll add something cool on here for you guys. Just a little extra to show what you're also capable of doing. So we can do a sticker here. Then we're just gonna expand this around this part. So it kind of shows people what we're talking about in this video. So that's pretty good. But then I can also do this tracking right here. I'm gonna do motion tracking. I'm just gonna put this like kind of on this white label and then click start. Then this will track it for the whole clip. Then I'm just gonna fade this out. So we can go to animation. You can do an animation in, like when this circle starts, or out. So I'm gonna do fade out. So then at the end of this circle thing right here, it's just gonna fade out.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case? It's the same.
I'm gonna cut this right here. Okay, so that's good right there. And then you can also go to audio here, then go to sound effects and add pretty much any sound effect that you want. And then after this, there's pretty much one big thing to add, and that's gonna be captions. But luckily Capcut pretty much just does it all for you.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case.
Okay, so that is good. Now we just need to add captions. So we're gonna go to text up here at the top, auto captions, generate. And this should do a pretty good job of generating these. I might have to switch a few things. If yours messes up a lot, what you'll want to do is select all of your clips, right click, and then create a compound clip. And the reason that it messes up is because it's pulling audio if you have different layers here and it doesn't know how to do it. But mine's fine in this example, so I don't need to do that. You can go to templates and get all these different types of text. I keep it as basic as possible. So I'll use this one, or I use the one where there's one word at a time. Do a font, call it classic 2. It's just this one. The font size is fine, I think. Sometimes I'll bump it up a little, but I like to do the outline and then the thickness of the border to 45%. And then you can change the text here. So I want to make like this W capital. What's the difference between a case? And you'll just have to go through each set of captions and adjust these how you want. And like my questions, I'll make them a different color than his answers. But you have to turn off this apply to all thing. So I'll make my questions this yellow. There's a train going by.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case? It's the same exact thing.
And then another thing I like to do, let me highlight these. I'll bump this up to like 800. So it's just higher on the screen instead of being down here. I like that a little better. You can kind of tweak it where it looks best on the video, but typically I usually go with 800 if I'm not tweaking it hard. This is my question. So I will make this yellow. And sometimes when you're adding question marks, or it's more of a complex edit, it's better to do just these standard captions rather than the one word, because the one word will mess up quite a bit.
This right here is the real.
I don't like to have this so there's one word on a line, so that's why I'm tweaking these like this.
This right here is the real deal. One of these boxes.
Actually, I can add like the this sticker thing on this as well. I think that'll be good. See how that looks.
These boxes in here. Inside of this bad boy right here.
So then here's another good tip.
Sure?
I say you sure. And that's gonna go to about right here. So then we want these on separate captions. So I'm gonna go to the first one. I split this with Command B. I'm just gonna remove his part and put a question mark. This is my question, so I'll make it yellow. And then we're gonna go to his line and remove the question that I asked. He just says, I'm definitely sure.
You sure? I'm definitely sure.
I think I'll add a period there too. And that's pretty much it. Like, this video is good to go. We'll play it through again to make sure.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case? It's the same exact thing, just how you word it. So you just added a word. No, a distributor case.
I might need to zoom this a little more so that you can read distributor case. I think that could be good.
What's the difference between a sealed case and a sealed distributor case? It's the same exact thing, just how you word it. So you just added a word. No, a distributor case just means it's from the distribution. Is that a real one or a display one? This right here is the real deal. One of these boxes in here. Inside of this bad boy right here. You sure? I'm definitely sure.
I think that's good. And then we just go to export. You can title it. Like that. So I can just close this now. Again, it saves it right here. Move this over to my completed files. Then we'll go over to YouTube. You can go to content, shorts. This is gonna show all of your videos. And you wanna click create, upload. Just drag it in here. A lot of people add background audio, which is another big thing. I guess I can show that real quick. You can go to YouTube audio library. You can search and filter and find whatever you want and then just click download. And then like here's some that I already have downloaded. Just drag this on here on the bottom layer. This is gonna be loud. So you wanna reduce this volume a lot. Maybe, like for me, I'll do like -20, -30. You can play with it and see what sounds good for your video. And then if this is way longer, you know, just go to the end here, Command B, clip that and delete it. I don't really need this. So here's our video. Tell what this is about. I have another video with this guy right here. So I'm just gonna copy this. I add this because I had an issue with Made for Kids. Yeah, just paste that in there. Not altered. A few hashtags, doesn't really matter. Next. None of the above, submit rating. Next. 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 I'll just schedule this one for today. I do 5:30 p.m. You can do whatever works for you. Schedule. Close. You can see this video is scheduled right here. Now the other big thing is this thumbnail. You can only change it on your mobile phone. So you want to go to YouTube app on your mobile phone. Go to your profile, scroll down, tap your videos, click the little dots on the one that you want, tap edit, and then right on the thumbnail there's gonna be a little icon, and then you get a picker here. So you can scroll through, pick whatever thumbnail you want. I'm just gonna use this. Click the check mark, click save, and then we'll just refresh this. There we go, there's the updated thumbnail. This is processing, but it'll be done in a minute, and my video is just scheduled out for today. There's an overview of how to edit viral short form videos using Capcut. You don't need fancy edits. You don't need anything crazy. You need simple edits, a simple story that gets people engaged, and a hook. The hook is the most important thing. The first 3 seconds are the most important to get people wondering or interested in this content. It's the next day, just checking in on this video's performance. We have 108,000 views. So it did really good in the beginning, kind of slowed down a little bit. So it has potential, you just have to wait and see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.